here. Okay. As a jiu-jitsu person, he's going to want to turn into me and try to take my back. Okay? Yeah, and get the elbow to the ground. Right. There's a couple of things. If he hooks the leg first, okay, what I want to do is rehook his leg. Okay? That's one. If he doesn't get a chance to hook my leg, the simplest escape, if I feel him turning in, is post and lift my hip up. If my hip beats his, I stay on top. Up here, he gets the elbow to the ground, he starts turning in. Good. Lift your hip up. Take my back. Take my back. We're in the same position as we were doing last night. Please. Got it?
Can I see the hook again?
He hooks your leg. Good. I step over and cross my feet. Hip in. There's also another one where if I feel his legs start to come in, and I don't let him hook my leg, but I hook his bottom leg, and now I hip up and come to the knee bar. Okay. There's all kinds of funny little tricks.
It's too much for you.
You do, my man. One more time. So try the escape now. You hear it? Just a simple one. He's going to turn in, put the elbow to the ground. Hip up, like you want to sit on him. Don't fall backwards. Don't do this. Don't hip up. Yeah, and do this. Okay? Sorry. You're here, gets the elbow to the ground, turns in. Turn in. Hip up. See how I spin on him? I swivel my hip on him. Okay? Try it.